So, guess what? Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. We're at it again. This time we're out in the street because it's Christmas. We're checking some people. We want to hear what they have to say. Oh, look at this lady. Share run for me now. Hello, happy holidays. No smile for me. Hey, she gave me a peer back a while ago. But that is fine. This one look interested. I'll talk to this lady. Good afternoon, ladies. Afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine.
Can you get some of the money for me?
No.
She said no. Guess what? It's Christmas, and I'm sure you know Christmas carols, right? You do? Can you sing?
No.
You can't sing. I'm gonna start a song. I'm gonna see if you can finish it. Because you must know the words. Alright? Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride on a...
One horse open sleigh.
What? You got it right. Which school you went to? Which primary school?
Queensborough.
Oh yeah, she went to Queen's Prep, so she know these things. Anyway, I want to wish you all the best. And we're a shipping company. And I want to invite you and your family to ship with us. Alright, have a wonderful holiday. And that's a pretty one. Merry Christmas to her, all day, every day. Peace.